How would you like to learn the easiest method I've uncovered to earn $1,200 a month in affiliate marketing, which is truly a passive income strategy? Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Garrido, chiropractor and entrepreneur, and on this channel, you can follow me as I document my journey through the Legendary Marketer high-ticket affiliate program and follow along in my attempt to make a strong passive income with this program. So today we're going to talk about the easiest method I've seen to make $1,200 online with affiliate marketing. So today we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing, how success in affiliate marketing requires just three things. We'll talk about the traffic, the right offer, your focus on creating content, how to make sure that you got a program that's aligned in converting, how Legendary Marketer has all three of these things in place, how your sole focus should just be on creating traffic to this offer. And if you do all these things, you will probably easily make $1,200 a month. So let's get started. So what is affiliate marketing? Essentially, affiliate marketing boils down to promoting other people's offers. When you sign up for an affiliate program, they give you a unique affiliate link. It's absolutely win-win because when you make a sale, the owner profits. So both of you share in a sale. So success in affiliate marketing really only boils down to three things: making sure you have the right offer, making sure you generate traffic, and making sure there's a very strong conversion process. Now, when you get into affiliate marketing, you want to make sure that you align yourself with an offer that sells, an offer that already has buzz. In my opinion, you don't want to put your energy and effort into something that no one in the market knows about, no one in the market may need. I like to align myself with products and services that are already proven to have a high demand, that is already proven to sell. I want to make sure that there are other affiliates already making sales. It's much easier to get yourself in front of a stream of buyers than it is to create a demand. So make sure you choose the right offer. And once you have the right offer, your focus should be really just about driving as much traffic through your sales funnel as possible. The traffic I like to focus on is free and organic because you can just focus on creating traffic. There's a lot of room for error. With paid traffic, you make a mistake and you could be down thousands of dollars. And I don't like to get into that. I like to just create free organic traffic that's going to establish overall a sense of people are going to begin to like, know, and trust you, which will make it much easier to create sales in the future. And your sole focus should be, again, just creating as much traffic. I like to use TikTok videos, YouTube videos, recently YouTube Shorts, also creating content via Facebook groups. These are the organic methods that can create just a whirlwind of traffic to your offers. And that's where the sole focus should be on, traffic through organic means. In your quest to make $1,200 a month as an affiliate marketer, another important thing to make sure is in place is that the conversions are really high. If you want to double the amount of money you make, you don't double the traffic, you don't double your effort. You just want to make sure that the conversions, you want to double up the conversions. And that's much easier to do than doubling up the traffic. Money in affiliate marketing really boils down to having targeted traffic, making sure you have a strong video sales letter, and making sure you have great follow-up, things we'll talk about in the future. Now, Legendary Marketer already has all these things in place. There's already a strong buzz going to it. There's a number of people already driving traffic, and you just got to step in front of that traffic. It is very easy to create content and put that on TikTok and YouTube Shorts and create little YouTube videos like this one. And the conversions are fantastic, from the very strong video sales letter to the conversions that are when you're in the back end, you get a business coach and he or she guides you through the process that leads to other products that can be purchased. It's got all the things in place that will help you. It's got the $1,200 a month you're looking for in an affiliate program. So that's why I highly encourage you to get involved with the Legendary Marketer program. To get started, the first thing you got to do is just enter your name and email at 15daystolegendary.com. Get started and I'll help you through the process. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask me. Again, this is Dr. Joe Garrido. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Go ahead and hit the like, comment, and subscribe button below and enjoy your Thanksgiving.